Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to add some scripts into the header tag of your applications. Before we go any further, I would like to say that although this is feasible, it is entirely unnecessary. The Inhouz Cloud platform comes with a function builder that enables you to write limitless logic. Logic that can be used in your applications, as Inhouz Cloud applications are data and event driven. But in scenarios where you might want to add tracking to your apps, you might want to import some custom fonts, and there are some use cases. Perhaps you want to, import some third-party tools that perhaps might not be available natively in the system. All you need to do is basically go over to your app settings, scroll to the bottom, and there's a section here for custom code JavaScript header tag. All you need to do is open it up and paste whatever you want to paste in, and that's it. You would have successfully added some scripts into the header tag of your application. I would open this, but I do have some trackers in here, and not trackers, some Google Analytics, and I do not want to expose that. But that's it for this video. See you in the next one.